Loading Zone 3. Confirmed shipment 742.
Confirmed. Inventory updated.
All right, bring it back easy now. Clear on the right, clear on the right. Steady, steady, and hold it there. We're good to go.
Vaccination equipment prepares for operation. Sterile systems line the production area. Small Rhode Island red chicks move through carefully. Disease prevention becomes the priority.
Keep the flow steady. We're almost at capacity.
All right, next pallet is ready for pickup.
All right, keep the pace steady. We need this shipment out by 0600 sharp. Next pallet, let's move it.
Newly hatched broiler chicks begin their farm journey. Modern poultry production advances smoothly. A new chapter begins.
Automated feeders distribute starter feed throughout the house. Plymouth Rock Chick
Water delivery systems provide constant fresh drinking water. Nipple drinkers line the facility. Black Heritage breed chicks hydrate continuously.
Broilers reach mid-growth stage. Birds appear larger and stronger. Feed conversion remains efficient. Farmers analyze performance metrics. Every day contributes to final production goals.
Clear the zone. Lift commencing.
Roger that. Tension steady.
The average weight is right on target for the Ross 308s. Good. We can schedule the harvest for Tuesday morning.
Clear to move the forklift. Copy that, bringing it in now. Okay, the route is loaded here. Watch for the weight station bypass at exit 22.
Got it. Manifest is confirmed on my end.